Embroidery machines have evolved from simple add-ons to full-fledged creative studios capable of professional-level customization from home. Today's models balance embroidery area, stitch quality, software compatibility, and user experience.
List number 1. Brother SE700 Sewing. The SE700 combines sewing and embroidery into a compact, feature-rich package. It ships with 135 built-in designs, 103 stitches, and auto needle threading, all housed within a 4x4-inch embroidery field and a 3.7-inch color touchscreen. It supports wireless transfer via design database transfer and the Artspira mobile app for pattern creation and pattern sourcing, making it approachable for beginners who want to experiment with both sewing and embroidery workflows. In practice, the SE700 excels at beginner to intermediate projects with reliable embroidery quality on lightweight to medium fabrics. The 4x4 hoop is modest but adequate for monograms and small logos, while the auto needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in bobbins simplify setup. The machine performs well for projects like personalized garments, totes, and small home decor. For more ambitious embroidery, the limited hoop size may push users toward larger standalone units or higher-end brother models with bigger areas. But the SE700's wireless design transfer and the Artspira app integration keep it competitive at its price point.
List number 2. Poulin EOC06 Embroidery Machine. The Poulin EOC06 represents a high-volume entry into home embroidery with a generous 7.9 by 11-inch embroidery area and 200 built-in designs, plus 7-inch touchscreen control. It emphasizes a business-leaning footprint with multiple hoops included, 2 x 5.5 by 5.5, 1.8 by 8, 7.9 by 11, and offers USB and wireless design transfer plus bundled software. The setup includes a robust starter kit designed to get beginners stitching quickly, with a focus on efficiency and transfer flexibility. In use, the EOC06 shines for small business or hobbyists who want larger designs and better coverage on apparel and home textiles. The InStitch i3 system and intuitive 7-inch interface simplify design editing and color sequencing, while the included stabilizers and thread kits reduce upfront costs. However, at $1,599, it sits well above typical entry-level budgets and may be overspec for casual crafters. The 35-pound chassis and larger footprint also require more dedicated workspace and stable surface setup.
List number 3. Poulin E05 Embroidery Machine, maximum embroidery area 4 by 9.25 inch. The Poulin E05 sits near the premium end of the Poulin lineup, with a 4-inch by 9.25-inch maximum embroidery area and a 7-inch touchscreen. It emphasizes a streamlined workflow with the InStitch i2 operating system and dual-size embroidery options, 4x4-inch and 4x9.25-inch. It ships with 130-plus built-in designs and 8 fonts, plus a complete starter kit, stabilizers, threads, bobbins, needles, and a USB for design transfer. The machine's emphasis on guided one-on-one training and multilingual support makes it friendly for beginners stepping into more advanced embroidery tasks. In terms of performance, the EOC05's dual hoop capability and reliable automatic needle threading provides smooth operation across fabric types, including light to medium weight materials. The Wi-Fi design transfer and DST/DSB capability via USB enable flexible pattern sourcing and transfer without overly complex setup. As a $799.99 option, it's a strong value if the user anticipates frequent personalized projects across multiple garments and accessories, though it is still a dedicated embroidery device rather than a sewing embroidery combo.
List number 4. Brother PE900 Embroidery Machine with WLAN. The Brother PE900 is an embroidery-only machine with a generous 5-inch by 7-inch embroidery field, 193 built-in designs, and 13 lettering fonts. It adds color sort and jump stitch trimming to optimize multicolor designs, and a 3.7-inch touchscreen for on-screen edits. Its wireless WLAN capability and design database transfer app support working with designs from a PC or mobile device, while a sizable 5-inch by 7-inch field supports larger motifs. It's positioned as a higher-end embroidery-focused option in Brothers' lineup. In practice, the PE900 performs well for homeowners and hobbyists seeking larger embroidery projects without a sewing function. The color sort feature is helpful for reducing color changes during complex multicolor designs, and jump stitch trimming helps keep fabric clean. Limitations include the lack of sewing functionality and a smaller screen relative to some competitors, but its embroidery field and design library make it a strong, dedicated option for decorative stitching and home decor enthusiasts.
List number 5. Brother SE2000 Computerized Sewing. The SE2000 blends sewing and embroidery with a large feature set, including over 190 built-in and 50 downloadable embroidery designs, 241 sewing stitches, and 13 embroidery fonts, all within a 5-inch by 7-inch embroidery field. It also leverages ArtSpira app integration, wireless transfers, and a generous 3.7-inch touchscreen. It's designed for users who want robust sewing and embroidery capabilities in one mid to upper tier package with modern workflow tools. In practical terms, the SE2000 delivers a compelling mix of sewing flexibility and embroidery power, making it suitable for quilters and textile creators who want to switch between tasks quickly. The jump stitch trimming and color sort features streamline color changes on complex designs, while the 5-inch by 7-inch hoop supports moderately large motifs. The trade-off is that it sits at a higher price point and remains a combined unit rather than a purely embroidery-focused machine, which may affect users primarily seeking embroidery-only performance.